So, you're looking for power but don't have the budget for it, or maybe you just want to look rich but the bank account that just doesn't show 7 digits. Well, that's probably why you're here. I've gathered 5 cars that will not only make you look rich but will bring you tremendous fun. This is 5 cheap sports cars you can find for under R1 million. That's right, and this is not sports cars like GTIs. No. We're not talking. We're talking about sports cars, aka supercars. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jamie, aka XI Lucy from XI Motives. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. And in today's video, I'm gonna be going over 5 sports cars you guys can find for under R1 million. And I'm not talking about your typical GTIs. I'm not talking about your typical, is a BMW on this list, but I'm not talking about, you know, sports cars that are like common. I'm talking about sports car that's gonna make you feel rich and you're gonna feel like you a proper supercar owner, if that makes sense. Wouldn't say all of the cars are supercars, but most of them are, and I have one supercar killer on this list as well. Starting off with number 1, we have the Aston Martin Vantage V8. Inseparable from the James Bond movies.
The name's Bond. James Bond.
This beautiful 2-seater is powered by a 4.3 liter V8 engine with an power output of 385 horsepower and 420 Newton meters of torque, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission controlled by paddle shifters. The Vantage strikes as an exquisite between a daily driver and a rear-wheel drive sports car, and yes, you can find one for under R1 million. Now, is that a deal or not? You're gonna be looking rich with that Aston Martin badge. Number 2 on this list is my dream car, as well as the first and last road M3 ever produced with a V8. The E92 M3. Serves as a testament to the German brand's ability to make a shouty muscle car. The E92 M3 is considered one of the greatest driver-focused cars ever produced by BMW. The car is powered by a beautiful, naturally aspirated V8 known for its high-pitch groan and 8,400 RPM redline, with a power output of 420 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque, coupled with a 7-speed dual clutch transmission and rev matching system. The BMW E92 M3 is a bargain for your money and you're gonna have a lot of fun. And I do recommend straight piping the out of that thing. Looking for a supercar under R1 million? The Audi R8 regarded as one of the most driver-centric cars ever produced with a 4.2 liter V8 engine, or if you can find one for under R1 million, hook yourself up with the V10. The 4.2 liter V8 has a all-wheel drive system with a power output of 420 horsepower, 430 Newton meters of torque. Talk about a steal, am I right? I mean, this is literally a supercar, cheaper than a freaking new Golf 8 GTI. You could consider it the same price as a Golf 7 R-Line. At number 7, we have Kong's rival, Godzilla, the R35 GTR. A successor to the beautiful R34 Nissan GTR, it represents the longest running iteration of the GTR badge, having undergone several facelifts during its nearly 15-year lifespan. The R35 GTR, known as a supercar killer, that's right, this thing gaps R8s, it gaps Porsches, it gaps everything that was made in its class in its year. No one knows how much horsepower the R35 GTR really has, because apparently there's some rumors that the Japanese snuck the R35 past whatever that thing is called, the driving test or something like that. But no one knows how much power the R35 really has, because the Japanese, they lied about the car's power. The R35 GTR was offered with 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in Toyo tires and featuring a E2Tech, I don't know how you pronounce that, a EcoTech software engine management system. The R35 GTR is a bang for your buck, and you can find them for under R1 million. Probably it's close to R1 million, but I wouldn't say it's R1 million, but it's a great car. Make sure you guys could cop yourself one. Number 5, and last but not least, is the Porsche 996 911. Practically a synonym for the word sports car, especially the 911 lineup. The Porsche 996 911 is powered by a twin-turbo 3.6 liter boxer engine, delivering 284 horsepower and 560 Newton meters of torque. Additionally, it has a all-wheel drive system and a 6-speed manual, baby. Yes, manual. Get a manual. So there you have it, guys. 5 sports cars that are cheap. You can get under R1 million. So stop buying Polo GTIs when you can have this cars on this list. So get yourself a freaking GTR, which is better, a R8, which you're gonna look rich. So get yourself one of these cars and have yourself a blast, instead of in your old hatchback Polo GTI with a 2-liter turbo engine. No, stop it. Well, there you have it, guys. 5 cheap 5 cheap sport cars you can get for under R1 million. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. It will be so much appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys probably only gonna see this video on Monday. Right now it's Saturday. You're gonna see this video on Monday, but I decided to film it for you guys. Make sure you subscribe and hit post notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.